Everything looks completely routine. The aircraft is fully configured for landing, the landing gear is down, the flaps are set, the runway is directly ahead. And then, just seconds before touchdown, everything changes. The engines roar to life. The aircraft begins climbing back into the sky. This is called a go-around, sometimes referred to as an abandoned landing. And although it can surprise passengers and spectators alike, it's actually one of the safest and most carefully practiced maneuvers in aviation. Stay with me, because in this video, we'll explain exactly what you're watching, why pilots perform go-arounds, what is happening inside the cockpit, what passengers are experiencing, and why this maneuver demonstrates aviation safety at its very best. Welcome to Plane Station. Meet today's aircraft. Today's aircraft belongs to Wizz Air, one of Europe's fastest growing low-cost airlines and one of the largest operators at London Luton Airport. The aircraft appears to be an Airbus A321neo, the largest member of the Airbus A320 family. Depending on the airline's configuration, it can carry around 230 passengers, making it one of the most efficient single-aisle airliners in service today. Powered by advanced high-bypass turbofan engines, the A321neo is designed to burn significantly less fuel than previous generations, while flying farther and more quietly. With a wingspan of almost 36 meters and a length approaching 45 meters, it's an impressive sight on final approach. Every day, these aircraft connect Luton with destinations across Europe, carrying holidaymakers, business travelers, students, and families. Watch the approach carefully. As we watch the aircraft, everything initially appears perfectly normal. Notice how stable it looks. The landing gear is locked down, the flaps are fully extended to create additional lift at lower speeds. The spoilers remain armed. The aircraft is descending steadily along the correct glide path. From where we are standing, nothing appears unusual. The pilots are making continuous small control inputs, constantly adjusting for wind, speed, and alignment. Even on calm days, no landing is ever simply left to chance. So, what exactly is a go-around? Many people mistakenly think something has gone wrong. In reality, a go-around is often simply good decision-making. A go-around means the pilots discontinue the landing attempt and prepare for another approach. It's completely different from a rejected takeoff. A rejected takeoff happens before the aircraft leaves the ground. A go-around happens while already airborne during the landing phase. Pilots train extensively for this maneuver. Every airline crew practices it repeatedly in flight simulators throughout their careers. In fact, instructors often introduce unexpected go-arounds during simulator checks precisely because they want pilots to react instantly. A successful go-around is considered evidence that the crew prioritized safety over convenience. There are many perfectly legitimate reasons a crew might initiate a go-around. Perhaps the aircraft wasn't stabilized according to company procedures. Maybe the approach speed was slightly high. Strong gusting crosswinds may have developed in the final moments. Wind shear alerts could have been received the aircraft to climb because another aircraft had not yet vacated the runway. There may have been wildlife, debris, or a vehicle on the runway. Visibility may have changed. The predicted touchdown point may have been too far along the runway. Or the captain may simply have decided that continuing wasn't the safest option. Professional pilots are trained with one simple philosophy. If in doubt, go around. Meanwhile, in the cabin, inside the passenger cabin, reactions vary enormously. Frequent flyers may immediately recognize what's happened. Some passengers barely notice. Others suddenly feel the aircraft climbing and wonder why they haven't landed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at one of aviation's most fascinating procedures, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Plane Station, and turn on notifications so you never miss another aircraft arrival, departure, or unusual aviation moment from London Luton Airport. And while you're here, tell us in the comments, have you ever witnessed a go-around in person?